What's up guys, Zach here, the Unusual Geek. We're going to do an unboxing today of the Ticwatch Pro Smartwatch. This watch is made by the folks at Smartwach. Just got released a couple weeks ago, and this is unlike any Android Wear or Wear OS watch, if you want to call it that way, in terms of battery life. It is said to have about 5 to 30 days depending on, of course, how you use it. 5 days is actually really good for a smartwatch, especially one that runs the Wear OS, the Google operating system for smartwatches. 5 to 30 days, that is just unreal. So we'll do a quick unboxing and go from there. All right, so the box looks like any other watch box. Gives you all the specs here. Little quickly, the specs are runs on Wear OS, made by Google. It has a 5-day battery life, and also you can make GPay. You can make contactless payments using NFC. It's made out of premium material. It has a GPS tracker, music streamer, and it also is IP68. IP68 I can't even talk anymore. IP68 rating, which means it. Let's see if we can put it on it. I guess it doesn't show. I don't know. So it's IP68 rating, which means it is water and dust resistant. Also has a heart rate sensor, step tracking, and it has the Google Assistant built in, of course. It also has a 415 milliamp battery. Also comes with a dock. We're gonna open it now and check it out real quick. The display size is about 1.39 inches. It's an AMOLED display, 400 by 400 display. So we're gonna open it now. Pretty neat box. Say if you ever bought a smartwatch, they all kind of have a similar packaging. So the Ticwatch Pro, there you go. Let's take this one out. Boom. Here is the watch. It kind of resembles the old LG watch, if I'm not mistaken. It looks kind of like it. It has the dials here. So here, I'll take this one out real quick, then go see what's inside. Have the usual user guide here. See what else? Oh, nothing. Silicone. Then you have the cradle. So talking about LG watches, this is very similar to an LG watch cradle here, and also the Huawei one as well. I don't know if you remember, but this is what it looked like back in the day. So it comes with this, with a USB cable, no AC adapter, so you can literally just plug it in. Your computer, or if you have a USB, or if you have a AC adapter, a small AC adapter. So let's check out the watch real quick, okay? All right, let's see if I can get it out without breaking this whole thing. All right, here you go. Here's this right here. All right, what's in here? Nothing. All right, so here's the watch. You guys can see this. It really, I don't know if you ever owned one of those LG watches, it kind of resembles it a lot. The dials are here. This doesn't turn. So this one has a leather strap, which actually feels pretty good. Feels like really nice leather. Really nice leather actually. So back here is where you have your sensors, your heart rate sensors, and heart rate sensor with a step tracker, and you also have these little things here where you can put in a cradle to charge the watch. So you got a little screen protector, and then this is the watch. So like I said, it's 1.39 inch display going from here or whatever, however your diameter. 2 buttons here. I'm guessing the bottom one, if it's like this watch, the bottom one is basically to use the Google Assistant. So, oh yeah, so for the Google Assistant is, yeah. So one of them is probably the Google Assistant, and one of them to access the menu. We're gonna try to turn it on a little bit and see what it looks like. Keep in mind, I've never used this, so it might be dead. Ta-dum, ta-dum. Yes, indeed. Very dead. Well, anyways, we'll come back. We'll probably come back and do another look. We'll take another look at this watch, the Ticwatch Pro by Smartwach, which is supposed to be one of the longest lasting watches out there. You can pick one up on Amazon or Best Buy or via smartwach.com for $249. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.